written some points, right? In that, add one more point. Pricing will work efficiently. In the earlier you written some points, right? For that you add one more point. Pricing will work efficiently if common master data is defined in the customization. Right. Transportation with pricing. We have to check the table entries of old prices during transportation. During transportation. Right? Write a side heading called pricing procedure. It is a sequence of condition types. Pricing procedure works. Pricing procedure works with the help of three major elements. You're typing something, Sonali?
Oh yeah, I'll unmute it. Sorry.
Yeah. Three major elements. Number one, customer. Number two, sales document type. Number three, sales area. Number two, access sequence.
Number 3 is?
No, right now, sales area in that. Now we have discussed pricing procedure. Now we are going to access sequence. Right. It is a search strategy through which SAP system can search valid condition records. Valid condition records. SAP system stops searching. SAP system stops searching as soon as it finds the best one. Next, write what is a condition table. Condition table. It helps in creating a condition record. For example, a table has the following fields: sales organization, distribution channel, division, and customer. Then write what is the condition type. It is used to define price, discount, surcharge, for an automatic substitution during document creation. Right. Standard features in pricing. Standard features in pricing. SAP comes up with default procedures, sequences, types, and tables. Along with item category. See, as we have discussed, item category plays a very major role in pricing, because the previous class I was discussing about item category, and now I am discussing about pricing, because the both are well related. Because most of the people they discuss item category somewhere, pricing somewhere, but the both are very closely related. That's the reason I'm associating them. So write these 5 steps: SPRO, then come to SD, basic functions, pricing, pricing control. These are the 5 steps we have to perform. Once you understood the logic, creating a pricing control takes 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, testing another 10 minutes. So because standard features are already there, we will not create pricing process from scratch in most of the cases. You are not going into SD consulting to do some job from a plain ground. Everything is there. There is a block where you have to rearrange it. So you have to understand the logic. Sometimes you only have to change some access sequences. It works. Sometimes only the condition record. It works. So obviously you have to understand how. Just a minute. So what is the condition record page number? Any idea? Nobody is concentrating on preparing for the class, isn't it? So I wanted you to show the diagram. So how many of you have already read about pricing? You have to come to the session after preparing here. There are a lot of examples here you can always work out. So how many examples you have done till today in this? Not even a single one.
Initial ones. I read the text for the pricing, but
So pricing you will have the test T. So this is condition record or condition master data. So page number 223 of task 40 underscore 1. So this is how he's talking about. So it is page number 223. You can see there are pricing, price list, customer specific pricing, freight incoterms, surcharges for customer, for material, for pricing group. So these are the different elements where we can create the pricing condition record. So you also write this point, condition record or condition master data, both are same. Condition record or condition master data. You can straight away write as condition master record on. K00 is a discount condition. For a sales organization, 1000. Distribution channel, 12. For this customer, so that means we have already discussed pricing is based on sales areas. So you take this example as it is, write it. I'll show you in the system. So be prepared in this task very well, all of you. You have to come to the class after reading for 4 times. Then whatever you did not understand, you have to come to the class and understand. But people do in a reverse way. Understanding everything in the SAP classes as on date, nobody would have done in the world.
yeah.
You can see condition master record will have or sales area, customer, material, type. Type is anyway the first and foremost. And validity. Definitely pricing should have a date. So this record will have, the condition record will have the collection of all these things. And already in the definitions of our pricing we already discussed. Access sequence will help, in calling the condition records, isn't it? So, and what is definition of condition table? Read it.
It is used to define price discounts and judge for an automatic substitution during documents creation.
Yes. And about condition records?
Just
Where did we mention about condition records in the discussion? Underline that. Condition records. You mentioned right in that? Definition got. Somewhere we have related to it. Where? In the access sequence. What is the definition of access sequence? It is a search strategy through which SAP system can search valid condition record. Underline that. So when you are reading the condition record, come back to this place. Then you'll connect. So that's what you have to connect. Otherwise, record is separately understood, and we don't know where the procedure is. Procedure. What is procedure? Procedure is collection of condition types. So access sequence is a search strategy. What is condition table? That there also you underline. Condition table also we have mentioned about condition records. You underline that and relate this definition. Come back to this. Read about condition records. Come back to this. This relationship only you have to understand. Once you understand, it's not like creating. Remember, creating condition records 100 times, you not understand the logic. Creating pricing procedure, everybody will tell me the steps who come to the interview, but nobody gives me the, because we are talking about SAP system, how SAP system works. I don't know how you have created. Even if you Google it, how to create pricing procedure, its steps will come. Why should you tell me? Even if you forget one step, it will not allow you to finish the task, isn't it? So I will not ask you, even if you forgot a step, I don't mind. But if you don't know what is the importance of condition record, how it is related to access sequence, how it is related to condition tables, that will matter. Right? Because I want you to become a consultant where if you know how SAP system works, you can do hundreds of activities tomorrow. Otherwise you cannot. Right? So today's session is, we are going to close at this point. Tomorrow I want some valid interaction from you guys, asking back some questions. And you can get into our website www.ravikiran.sdcrm.com forum and post some questions there, right? Or email me at ravi@imp@gmail.com. So anything is welcome. Right then, so compare with your resumes, what you are putting, what pricing procedure you are claiming, and why we are claiming, and how did you do. If you understand the logic like this, you can handle the pricing questions very clearly. So tomorrow we'll see some examples, right?
alright.
Yeah, I will, I'm closing this call, we'll discuss after this.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. You have to remember.
So again, this will be in the pricing determination. For example, if this bag is going along with the laptop, it will be free.
Absolutely.
If it's only sold alone, like that will be charged.
Absolutely. The system will order, that's what it says. On the context, that means if you are somewhere the other this particular product is giving free. That means you have created a particular free determination. Free good determination is available, then automatically in a combo, in the context it will take it as TANN, TANN, in a particular context. So you see the other one with TAN. If you compare two different things, you'll understand. You can see this. So OR, NBORM, usage, sometimes high level should be TAM and the default will be TAN. So when you talk about TAM, TAM is an assembly item. He says when you use an assembly item, automatically it should become TAN. So let me still go back because I'm just revolving around OR only. You can see this OR, NVRM, no high level, directly it is. So most cases right now what you are creating is going into TAN. But whereas if your item category, that means the product which you have taken already has free goods determination, then automatically it will show TANN. It should have free goods determination, do remember. So this is one of the contexts where, that means what he says is if the context changes, item category usage will come handy. Right?
And that's why we don't define this material as a free of a charge, because we can split also, right?
Absolutely. We can split. There is a batch split, there are multiple options, right? So get into the basic functions. These are called central functions. Which will help all the areas of SAP.
All the areas
of SAP. Can you mute from your end, all of you, the Skype? Thanks. In all the areas like pre-sales, sales, shipping. Point number 2. Basic functions affect all the documents like quotation, sales orders, billing documents, etc. You must have following settings. Next paragraph. You must have following settings. Number 1, organization structure. Number 2, master data. Number 3, transaction control. Number 4, external ALE integration,
ALE.
ALE, application linking and enabling. Next point, credit limit. Next point, follow-up activities. Follow-up activities. Examples of basic functions. Pricing, number 1. Free goods, number 2. Taxes, number 3. Account assignment, number 4. Availability check, number 5. Output control, number 6. Material determination, number 7. Listing exclusion, number 8. Partner determination, number 9. Text control, number 10. Routes, that's called route determination, number 11. Right, these are the points which are very, very important. The entire so like base customization for thing, and here we have actions in CRM, we have partner processing, like that. Here also basic functions make a very important, they play a very major role. Okay, so let us discuss the first and foremost topic as pricing. Pricing. Right. Pricing has four different major functions. Number 1, standard price. Number 2, discount. Number 3, surcharges. Number 4, taxes. So these are the four different major functions which the pricing covers. Okay, and right, pricing has the following elements. With a standard feature called condition technique. With a standard feature called condition technique. And in that you can write for shipping the the fifth section. In the four sections you have written, right?
Yes,
Add the fifth section is freight. That anyway you can add it somewhere in the fourth section only. Taxes and freights would be one section, but anyway, if you want to add it as fifth, that's not an issue. Freight. That means freight charges. So many times freight charges will be inclusive in the standard price or in the inclusive with the overall contract activity. So they may not give an excess because Still the delivery, because most of the business, still the delivery they talk. They don't talk separately because the manufacturing is done 10,000 miles away or 5,000 miles away. So customer cannot get it to the country. So we will talk including the freight charges, how much. And some businesses we can exclude. Write this. The first element is condition type. Second element is condition table. Fourth element is access sequence. Sorry, third element is access sequence. Pricing procedure, the fourth one. Pricing procedure. Right. Right, important points. Pricing depends on item category. Item category. Second point. Pricing depends on copying of sales documents. The third dependency. Pricing depends on master data settings. Example, pricing group, CUPP, customer pricing procedure. The next point. Pricing is defined for each sales area. Pricing is defined for each sales area. Customer material discount. See, all these condition records are specific to our uh, business. So, suppose you should have a doubt that suppose there are two condition types of same variety. Suppose for a customer, system has found a material discount. Once it found one type of discount, it will not go to the second discount. Otherwise, overall the product will go free, isn't it?
Yeah.
The system has a condition. Once it finds one discount, oh, if you want to give both the discounts, maybe one is weight based discount, other one is a pallet discount or container discount. So if you want to have such kind of things in your client's business, you can always have multiple.
So how do you give multiple discounts conditions, Ravi?
You can have a list of condition types. When we go for the customization, you'll come to understand. I'll show you that.
Okay.
There is something called condition inclusion and condition exclusion. So that is one method we'll follow.
Okay.
Exclusion means exclusively
Only
only this
one.
condition will work. Yeah. Inclusive means We
many
can in
more.
that, yeah. So see, for every a small extraordinary requirement, that means which is specially we are thinking. So SAP has found a way for that. But logically, you should know, and theoretically also, you should know that yes, there is something like that. Otherwise,
Yeah.
you cannot get into that.
But the standard practice is always one discount, I mean, in general.
Ah, 80% or 90% times they will not have multiple discounts. But see, basically to attract customers, these manufacturers will have lot of logical world that where people who don't have time to quickly decide, so they will uh, definitely take a decision based on, oh, we are getting multiple discounts.
Yeah. So, in general, for every sales order for multiple items, there can be every discount to related to a particular item.
Yes, yes. So take this. Go to logistics. How to open a customer master. Pricing master. Logistics, sales and distribution, master data, conditions. Click on display. VK 33. This pricing reports are not available. Don't. So just now you written some attributes, right? You can see this condition type, material,
Yeah.
the amount. That means this product amount. Suppose just write this VK33, VK33 transaction code. Go to conditions. Buy material. Buy. Go to conditions. Click on buy material. Type here as, give a material name what you know. For example, give a material name, give a condition type, give a valid on date. Material, condition type, and valid on date. Done?
Yeah.
Right. This material specific to a distribution channel varies according to the sales organization. It is 1000, 3000 and 5000. 1000, 3000 and 5000. Is it not? So 1000 it is costing us 3,500 euros. 3000, this is European, this is American, this is Japanese. So everywhere the price is varying according to the currency or location, whatever it is. Okay? So here select PR00 for 1000.
Yeah.
System will show price against periods. Period means dates. KEY key. KEY key. Right. This is the integration with the backend customization. Key KEY. This is the integration with the backend customization between condition record and condition table. between condition record and condition table. And remember this point very clearly. This is the first point of integration between SPRO and easy access. SPRO, that means SPRO, in SPRO bracket you write it as condition table, easy access in the bracket you write it as condition record. In the SPRO, write it as condition table. So from here, it really gets into
Yeah.
the touch base of the customization.
So it's the integration between condition record and material record. Key.
Condition table and condition record. Table, right? Here it is table.
Okay.
And the overall thing is called
Yes.
condition record. So between SPRO, that means the first touch base. I will show you a diagram, you will understand. Right. This process of integration is called condition technique. This process of integration is called condition technique. So here you can see this. If you can see this diagram of page number 30 in the TASD 40 underscore 2. You can see this condition records PR00,
Yeah.
and these are records, these are tables. The
Tables.
table, suppose
Okay.
this 304 is nothing but customer slash material. That is coming and giving inputs to, that means if valid record is there, then it says found. If it is not found, number 1 condition table did not find anything, but number 2 has found. You can see this price list or
Yeah. Yeah.
currency material related prices. So table and type are connected. So take this one. Take a small thing called condition technique. It's not pricing overview. Take it as condition technique. So slowly because right now only understand these 2 steps. Then I will tell you the link between this and this, link between this and this, and this and this. This is the document, right? Sales order. Document is nothing but sales order.
Transaction.
I
Yeah.
have this diagram repeated for good number of times.
Welcome to GoToMeeting, online meetings made easy. There are 3 other callers on the call.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. See, basically, you write something there. This is the method in which the SAP system follows a technique to calculate complete pricing model in SAP. In this pricing procedure, in the bracket you write it as RVA001. RVA001. In the document bracket you can write it as 5405. Why I'm saying 5405 is 5405. No, first of all write this T code called VA03. Document we can
VA
open it in VA03
0.
because you have to see it, right? So what I say is every topic, like before we learn, I want you to do an analysis of that already prepared and already created documents. Only by reading and practicing you will not understand. By analyzing, most of the subject comes into your mind.
Sorry, Ravi, for the pricing document, what was
So
the code?
document is nothing but right here as VA03, and standard document if you want to see it is 5405.
Ravi, for the pricing procedure, what was it?
Condition record is a separate topic, but if you want to see it together, so go to VA03. to find the condition technique. Go to VA03 5405. This is one of the standard orders. The other day we have blocked 1400, right? So we have to go to,
Yeah.
what is the T code for unblocking a customer? Go to VA03. Write this. Go to items, all items,
So
select an item, click on this dollar symbol, item conditions. And all of you guys are doing the exercises, the customer master exercises given in tests D40,
I haven't done them
creating a
yet, but
customer,
we'll be
creating a
doing-
material. Arun,
Yeah, Ravi, I haven't done it yet, but I will be doing it.
Arun, are you there?
Yes, Ravi, I can hear you. Can you hear me, Ravi? Ravi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
So you have done those exercises?
Not yet, Ravi. We'll be doing them.
Started.
We'll for sure.
You have to, because we are in full pace now. We have started.
Yes.
Right. So select one of the condition type row. That means here you can see this PR00. PR00. Then you can see this PR00
Yeah.
and click on condition record. So you can see from an order I'm going back to that VK33 or VK13. Click on condition record. So it is taking back to your condition record. What it is saying? The price is 5,500 euros or German mark. Okay. So you have to understand that for each product, because this order was created during this time, so that's the reason that price has come as this. So now again go back and see. I just want you to get, when you are going into analysis, don't forget to check the condition record and check these icons. What are these saying? This is nothing but scales. This is nothing but validity. Free goods. And you have to go for the key. So that means the key is nothing but the condition. Key means, remember, KEY means this number 304. Condition key. And this one is an overview of condition record. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Condition rate, terms of payment, administrative information, who has created it, validity periods, if there is any promotion. That means you have to play with the screen. Then only you will understand. Because while creating, we don't require all the screens, isn't it? Even if you enter the basic data, it will save. Getting my point, right?
Yes, sir.
by creating once, because I would have closed it by clicking on VK11, create, enter, save. But means you will be losing lot of chance of understanding, right? So I want you to do this is an assignment for today. So do remember this.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
after the condition record, click on analysis. Write this, analysis. Analysis. Right. This screen will show the integration between condition records and condition types. Condition records and condition types. Right. For example, select the PR00 drop down, PR00 drop down. Select 10. Select 10. Condition record is missing. You can see this. So that's what he said, right? No valid condition record exists. That means the first condition is matching to this diagram, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then in this pricing analysis, go to 40. What it is saying? Condition record has been
So
condition record has been found. That's what the second part of this, it says valid record exists. So what it has done, PR00 has found a link between condition table and condition record. And see this, it has found something called as field in condition table.
yep.
What it found? 304 is linked, isn't it?
Yep.
So in this case, what he has linked is, in the condition table he found this 304. So tomorrow we will see